Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Behind me is my small raised bed. It has kale and potatoes in it. The last 2 or 3 days, we have had some really hard rain and heavy rain. So what I'm going to do, as a result of the rain, you can see a lot of the kale is bent over or blown. So what I'm going to do is harvest everything that I can from this bed of the kale, and then I'm going to remove the plants. And then I'm going to come back and see if we have any potatoes ready and dig those up. And I thought I would bring you along. Pull off the ones that don't look good, and we're going to keep the ones that look good. Now, I know kale is supposed to be very hardy, and it should be able to last through the summer, but the kale here is looking rather bad, so that's another reason for removing it. There's going to be a lot of kale too, because there are 10 plants, I believe. Now, that's a lot of kale, and we're only through 3 plants. So we're going to go ahead and finish the rest of them and then come back. So we're back, and as you can see, had a little tree frog. As you can see, we have a bunch of kale here. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the tote that I have, and then we're going to do the 4 or 5 potatoes that I have, and hopefully we'll have a harvest. So I'm cutting the plant off itself, then I'm going to dig around it. I'm not really knowing what to expect from these. So we got 2. 2 more small ones. Make it 3. So overall, it's kind of what I expected out of these plants. Not much of a harvest. And we got some very small, what I'm going to call new potatoes. And we have a grand total of about 10, which I suppose is better than nothing, but it's better than nothing. And it's kind of what I expected. Um, this was a spur of the moment thing, planting a used store potato in here. I cut it into 4 pieces, and next year I'm probably going to either plant 3 different types of potatoes in this bed, or use this bed for collards or something along those lines. But considering it was a spur of the moment thing, I'm kind of happy with the harvest. It could have been better, but again, it's better than nothing. So as far as what I'm going to do with this bed right now, actually probably nothing. Probably just going to leave it and let it sit. Probably clean it up a little bit. I can't think of anything else that I need to plant or should be planting right now during the heat of summer, other than maybe flowers or something like that. I may decide to sprinkle some flower seeds in this bed, but if I do something with it, obviously, you guys will be the first ones to know. So here's the final harvest that we got. As you can see, lots of kale and a few potatoes. And like I said, any kind of harvest is a good harvest. So I'm happy with this. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we got this harvest. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I'll be sure to reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow food for myself and my family without any assistance, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. I guarantee you, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.